It remains the #1 killer of Americans. Heart disease causes close to 700,000 deaths every year. Mandy Gaither has a cautionary message from one patient who ignored his heart health warning signs. He explains how it almost cost him his life.
At first, Alex Balmez thought he was just getting older. The 32-year-old father felt fatigued and put on some extra pounds.
I don't like seeing doctors because if you see a doctor, that means there's something bad typically. So I always push it off.
But he kept feeling worse and assumed it was a virus or perhaps anxiety. He was vomiting and having trouble sleeping while lying flat, which led to shortness of breath.
I felt like I was drowning.
When Balmez finally went to the doctor, he was told all those signs he'd been dismissing were warning him that his heart was failing.
It was actually a massive shock to me and my family.
On that encounter, I immediately knew that Alex was in trouble.
Dr. Yahara Ortiz with Orlando Health says since Balmez's symptoms of heart failure had been going on for a while, he eventually experienced a life-threatening condition called cardiogenic shock.
That's when a patient is so sick and the heart is so sick that it can barely keep up with demands of the body.
His team of doctors decided that Balmez would be a good candidate for a left ventricular assist device, or LVAD, an implant that does the work for his heart.
So now you're able to flow blood in your body.
Less than 2 years after surgery, Balmez says his life is almost back to normal. His advice to others: don't wait. Listen to your body.
I waited to the very end, and it was God's grace that I caught it in time.
For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.